Hi, good day everyone. I'm Kulin Raboy from Surigao del Sur. I joined MMM Philippines last October 2015 through a friend who invited me to listen to an offline event. With that day, I was able to know that MMM Philippines was brought to us by our founder, Sir Jim Mavrudi, and I've learned that it's a global community of mutual aid. Last November 2015, I joined the Philippine Guiders School, Batch 1, with Sir Kit as our mentor. During this schooling, I've learned about the ideology of the MMM. I've learned how it works. I've learned how the history of this and also other technicalities of the MMM Philippines. Last December 2015, I joined the Guiders contest and thank you everyone. I got the first prize, which is the 10,000 US dollars. I was able to bring 163 direct referrals. Thank you very much, and thank you to my senior guiders who was able to impart their knowledge on me and guide me during the time that I am still a foreman. I would like to say thank you a lot to my friends and relatives who helped me on this endeavor of mine, who attended my charity events, my offline meetings, and my table meetings. To the Common family, Subaan family, PRGG friends, thank you everyone. Thank you to my participants who believe in me and trusted in me and joined me on my community. Thank you very much, Sir Sergi Mavrudi. Together we change the world.